Hi, today in front of me OPPO Reno 10 and I'll show you how to change icon shape with the Icon Changer app on this device. So first we should launch the Play Store application. Be sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi and in the search bar enter the Icon Changer app. So now we should get this application. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app and you'll see here all of the available applications. Just select one from the apps. You could rename it if you want. Here we get library with different folders with the icons. We could use them or to use photo from our device gallery or to take a picture in camera app. Just let's select one from these icons similar to the camera one. Tap to OK on the right upper corner. Now we should just skip the videos and we could add our shortcut to the home screen. So click to add. We could go directly to the desktop or to change the next icon by the same way. So let's check our new camera icon and this is the default one. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.